Hey guys, it's Lena. Welcome back to my channel, and this video was filmed a while ago, but I just never made an intro or the outro, so here it is. This video is basically me attempting to bathe my dogs. So yeah. I took a break from YouTube due to me being just lazy and not wanting to post, but I thought it was a good idea for me to film today, or the video like a few days ago. So yeah.
For the car. Is this a YouTube video?
Yeah. Go get your phone. I'll take care of the dogs.
Grab one.
Okay, who's gonna get in first? No one? Okay. I'll volunteer then. Let's pour up the water. Oh.
It's time for bath!
Okay, Boba, do you want to go first? Do you want to go first?
Thank you for volunteering! You are a great volunteer! Get in the back. Alright, Lena, what? You gotta get this one first. Yay, Bubba, you're wet! Alright.
Buddy's like,
Can we get the dog soap? Where is that?
in the shower.
We're in the shower. Why?
Because that's like where I left it. Okay, I need you to distract Point and my buddy with peanut butter.
Alright, what songs do you want to listen to?
You can't really listen to any songs because you can't hear them.
Oh yeah, guys, she's getting hungry.
Pointy's like, yeet. You're okay, Bubba. I mean, it's good for copyright, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all. Okay. You're gonna spread it like all around. He stinks. Okay, Bubba. Now we just have to get him shampooed. Isn't this for like Pointy?
I think it can work for both because that's the only one I saw.
Oh, he's shaking! I don't know how to like leave the damn dog.
I don't like water, dude.
I'm sorry. He's slipping.
But he's like, no. Alright, my hands are quite literally covered with peanut butter, so I'm not going to be able to do too much. If you need me to turn on.
Tail.
Can you get in the shower?
Yeah.
And there's the little dog washing thing.
Oh, that's a dog washing thing?
Yes, it's a shower head for dog wash. Can you get that one?
Yeah.
Get in. Go, just wash your hands. Wash your hands on that sink.
You should be feeding the dog. This one, not that one. That one's not even in the bag.
Okay, now you can wash your hands.
Yep. Poor buddy, he does not like this at all.
Nope. Can you hurry?
I'm washing my hands, bro.
Buddy's on the other side is covered with soap. Scrub. Scrub. Give that to me. And then turn the water on.
I'm turning it to warm.
That's too hot for the dog.
Oh, it smells like wet dog.
Yeah, that's literally the worst smell. I need you to keep the dog inside the bath.
Oh my god.
What?
I don't know what was in there, but somebody did not flush the toilet.
Okay, Bubba. It's time to do your face.
Because he does not smell like that shampoo at all.
Yeah, because this is for your... It's okay, Bubba.
Ew, are you rubbing snot into his neck?
No, I already wiped it off.
Lena.
Give me some soap. That's good. Don't give it too much.
But he's like, I do not want to be a clean puppy. I just want to be messy. What is... That's on the inside. Okay, give me a sec.
It's fine. It's just a little baby fly.
That is not a baby fly, and it's going down. Got it? Where is it? Oh, it's gone. If I see it again, it's dead. You're dead. You hear me? You're dead.
Stop.
Okay, Bubba, you're almost ready. How much soap do you need for his head? Dime size?
We do not wash his head.
Why not?
The ears. They can't get water inside their ears.
Oh.
That's what causes infection.
Pointy's like, I'm not looking forward to this.
Okay, watch your booty.
You realize all the viewers have seen is butt.
Can you turn the water off?
Yeah, sure.
Bubba, you're done with the shower.
Woo! Except now you gotta be
Wait.
dried. Alright, what are we using to dry him? And how much fur does this boy have? Oh my god.
To dry that bubble thing. Nasty.
That's
Mostly for my hair.
That's rusty and crusty, and I don't like it. Okay, which towel?
Just grab the brown one.
Brown. Why's it gotta be brown? Why you gotta discriminate? Why can't it be blue? Can't it be the blue?
Yeah, look at Bud.
But he's like, come on, Bubba. No.
Out.
Ready, come here. Jump out. He looks like a freaking. He's like, no. Come on, buddy. Ready, come here. Oh!
Okay, you on the other side will dry this one, okay?
Hi, buddy. Hi,
Give her
buddy.
some peanut butter.
Aren't you happy? Aren't you happy? You look a bit like a nun. Let's make you into a nun. Let's make you into a nun.
Don't be mean to him.
Yeah, of course. Come on, Pointy.
Hi, baby. Hard.
And Pointy's like, no. Hello, buddy. Hello. How are you?
Okay, Pointy. Time for the shower.
She does not like it. Yeah, buddy. Okay, it's okay. Stop.
Can you make sure she doesn't get out? But he's fine.
Trying to make sure that
He's fine. Let him out. Let him out. We'll give him peanut butter.
out
later.
into the
Yes, outside.
Buddy. Yeah. Goodbye. Hi. Do you want peanut butter?
What do you wash?
Oh my god. You subjected them to looking at a dog's butt. A dog's anal passage, per se.
Well, she won't face that way. Can you push her off?
Wait, come here.
You gotta get peanut butter. Like, spread it out. Oh my god, you suck at this.
I mean, I got it eventually, okay? I don't wash dogs for a living.
Yeah, no kidding. No.
Lena, you can't swear. It'll get
I can
demonetized.
bleep it out.
That's true. Oh, right. You have fancy editing apps because you have Apple. Look at her. She's so cute. No, look at her. She's really so cute.
Like, you gotta climb up. Maybe inside the bathtub.
Pointy.
Turn your booty around so they can
Look,
see your face.
it's over here. It's over. It's right next to you.
Get in the bathtub.
Dude, this is not. Look.
Okay, now.
Pointy. Pointy, pointy, pointy. Ah! Gentle! Dog!
Okay, now I can get. Okay.
Pointy.
She likes water.
Pointy, it's right there. Oh my gosh, this dog is dumb.
Can we soak? First, I'm gonna do. Ooh, that's a lot. Oopsie.
I think you got dog soap on my toe.
They're not gonna kill you.
No, it's not gonna kill me, but it's gonna make me feel real awkward.
Why?
I don't know, because it's dog soap on my toe. Here, let me help massage that in with the...
Did you just spread that with peanut butter?
No.
Better not put peanut butter on the mate.
Might. We better not have peanut butter all over the dog fur. It will smell disgusting.
Okay, put some peanut butter.
She looks like a tiny,
Please don't shake.
Ow.
Do I do it on the tail? Let's do that.
Sure.
So her tail can be clean.
Why are we subjecting her to this? She's like, my tail. Also, since she's not a short-haired dog, she actually smells like cherries. Pointy, 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 pointy. Look.
Start scrubbing her.
Should we do a washing the cats video?
No, remember last time we tried that?
When was that? Dropping Pongo in here? That was before we got either of the dogs. Ah!
Yo, her fur is all over the bathtub.
It replicates a splash, but it's really just a dog.
I don't want to slip and fall and die.
That wouldn't be fun.
Once I bathed her 3 times in 1 week because she decided to be an idiot and roll around freaking skunks.
God, that's fun. Wendy's just looking at me like, please,
Butt check.
please, Mom.
Ma'am, I know you're not happy with, getting bathed. But
I know you're not happy with your experience, but could you please still leave us a 5-star review?
I got the phone wet.
Oh,
It's a little bit, it's fine.
you need to start investing in something waterproof. Instead of a Jeep. And he's like, what do you want, man? She's clean, okay?
Yeah, because the last thing I want is having soap all around her.
I was right. My hands smell like peanut butter. Ugh. And a little bit of dog fur.
And then wash your face. Wash your head.
Oh my god, Lena, you look like you look like you're trying to make her do this. Lena, I don't know if I'm doing this
Oh
right.
crap! I put the water all over me. Oh my god.
Lena, when you do that, it looks like she's doing like this.
Woo! Ha! 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 Can you turn the water off?
Yes.
The other one, not this one. Oh shoot. Hang this one up.
And it wasn't odd to me.
She's licking herself. Come on, Pointy.
She's like, I want to be dry.
Okay, put this in there. Put this in the shower. Come on, Pointy. Out.
Pointy, do you want a treat?
You can turn off the water. We're not going to spray you with water anymore. I promise.
Feel like I'm in an anime.
Dry her.
Jeez.
Can you dry her?
Yes, of course.
Dog washing check.
The towel looks like identical to her fur. Get off the towel, sweetheart. Come on. way down.